Alright, today we're going to talk about classifying quadrilaterals. But before we get into that, we're first going to back up a step and we're going to talk about polygons. Because a quadrilateral is a polygon. So a polygon is any shape with all straight lines and it's a closed figure. So, you know a lot of these. So first we have, and I'm going to do this in pictures, triangles, three-sided. Then you have quadrilaterals, four-sided. Then you have pentagons, five-sided. Then you have hexagons. And I'm going to skip seven-sided. Go to eight-sided. Being hexagons, or octagons, sorry, said that wrong, and so on. So we can have 10-sided, I'm not going to keep drawing these, which is a decagon, and these go on forever. But we're going to now focus squarely on quadrilaterals, so four-sided shapes. These are all polygons. What's not a polygon would be something like a circle. It's curved and not straight lines, so that is not a polygon. Something else that wouldn't be a polygon would be an angle, because it's not a closed figure. You'd have to have a third line there to make a triangle. Alright, so quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals is any four-sided shape. I'm going to draw pictures for each one of these. So any four-sided shape is a quadrilateral. Now quadrilaterals can break off into two distinct subcategories. One being a trapezoid. And that's characterized by one set of parallel lines. And the way you know they're parallel are by those arrows. So that's saying those two lines, the top and the bottom lines, are parallel. The other branch is the parallelogram. And this is signified by two sets of parallel lines. So here you'll see the two sides are parallel and then the top and bottom are parallel. Off of a parallelogram you're going to have two more branches. One being a rhombus and the other being a rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram, so our sides are parallel here. And one additional feature being all our angles are 90 degrees. The rhombus is also a parallelogram, but it doesn't have 90-degree angles. But what it does have is all the sides are the same length. That got a little messy there. So what you'll see, let me clean that up a little bit. All our side lengths are the same. Now if you combine a rectangle and a rhombus, so all the sides are the same and all the angles are 90 degrees, you're going to end up with a square. So all our sides are the same, all our angles are 90 degrees. So the way you can read this, all squares are rectangles, all squares are rhombuses, all squares are parallelograms, all squares are quadrilaterals. So if you're going up the chart, it's all. If you're going down the chart, it is some. Some rectangles are squares, some rhombuses are squares, some parallelograms are rectangles. Some parallelograms are rhombuses. Some quadrilaterals are trapezoids. All trapezoids are quadrilaterals. So it's all in how you read the chart.